Tips to enhance the ability of critical thinking. 1. Take the most common question. Sometimes the whole discussion or explanation becomes so complex that the original intent is left on edge. In this process, we go through many stages, such as analyzing, comparing, taking new references. So sometimes major issues are on one side and many other issues get debated. Therefore, always start critical thinking with the most basic questions. This will solve each issue and the whole process will be done as a framework. 2. Think about general presuppositions. Assumptions are a very big hindrance in enlightenment. But in the process of critical thinking, questions can be raised. They can be challenged. As a result, if it is wrong, it can be easy to change it or add new information to it. Apart from this, do not take any kind of assumption beforehand and decide on it. Always check the exact evidence of anything, their structure properly, try them, only then decide. 3. Think about your own concepts. Our own perceptions strengthen our concept. Because of this, our opinions and thoughts may be one-sided. But they are never acceptable in this process. Therefore, while thinking critically, thinking of old ideas from a new perspective, the process can be completed successfully. 4. Compare the evidence. While solving a problem, investigate whether or not certain measures have been taken on the same problem before that. After implementing the new options in this way, guessing how, what, and how many results will happen is easier. Apart from this, if there is no solution to the problem, then it can be discarded and proceeded further. This saves time. Therefore, if anyone has worked on such a project before now, then definitely practice it.